Yep. Definitely stuck out here in the blizzard. Probably hard to see in these videos how much actual snow there is. But we're out here doing stuff. Hope you guys are having fun. I mean, it's just absolutely crazy. It has slowed down a little bit. That's why I'm out here filming. But somebody said we got 43 inches in a little over 48 hours. So, you know, even in the midst of state of emergency, you can be doing stuff. So we're doing stuff.